Hi everyone, this is Leah. Welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to talk about the difference between these words in HSK 3 and HSK 4 that confused you a lot. All of these words has a meaning to change, to become. First, let's talk about the difference between bian, Juan, gài. Juan is more like to exchange between two things from A into B. For example, we usually say 换衣服, 换鞋, 换钱, exchange money. Whereas bian is to change on one thing. For example, 他变了. He has changed, but still is the same person. 他变胖了. He is fatter, but still him. 这么多年过去了，他竟然没变. After so many years, he didn't change at all. So, 换 is change between two things. Bian is change on one thing. Let's talk about 改. When 改 means to change, it's more used with abstract things like time, habits, personalities. For example, 明天的会议可能需要改时间. We should change the time for tomorrow's meeting. 明天的会议可能需要改地点. We will change the place that the meeting is going to happen. 性格是改不了的. Personality cannot be changed. 这个坏习惯你应该改一改了. You should change this bad habit. But can we say bian for personality? Yes, let's compare. 他的性格变了. 他的性格改了. These two sentences both mean his personality changed. But the difference is that bian can be naturally changed. The person wasn't consuming that he would have changed in the end. But 改 means change on one's own initiative. He wanted to change, and now he changed. That's the difference of bian and 改. Now let's talk about the difference between 变化 and 改变. Before we start to talk about the difference between 变化 and 改变, I'd like to share with you a concept in learning Chinese, that most of the one-syllable verbs in Chinese has a same meaning two-syllable words in Chinese. For example, 变, 变化, 改, 改变. They have the same meaning. Another example you might have learned before. 学, 学习. So why would Chinese have one-syllable word and a two-syllable word at the same time? Two reasons. One, two-syllable words are usually more formal than one-syllable word. So when we talk about some more formal language, we are going to use two-syllable words much more than one-syllable word. But they have no much difference in meaning. Second, Chinese is a language full of rhythm. We prefer to say four-character word together, like the four-character idioms in Chinese. So, when you say 改变性格, it sounds much more better than 改性格. After knowing that, you are going to know that the first difference between bianhua and gaibian is more with initiative. Bianhua is more naturally happen. Thus, bianhua is not followed by an object. If you say 他想变 or 变化他的性格, that will be wrong. You need to say 他想改变他的性格. Another example, if you say 我想变化这个文档的格式, I want to change this format of this document. That will be wrong to say like that. You are going to say 我想改变这个文档的格式. Another difference between 变化 and 改变 is that 变化 is more used as a noun. For example, 它的变化太大了. Many changes happened to him. 这个城市的变化让我震惊. The changes happened in this city really shocked me. Now let's talk about the difference between 变 and 变的. The difference between these two words are mostly grammar, like how are you going to use these two words in a sentence. You can remember this pattern. 变 is used with a simple adjective. 变的 is used with anything, adjective, verb, or sentence. Let's look at some examples. 他变坏了. He became mean. 坏 is a simple adjective. 他变谦虚了. He became more modest than before. 谦虚 is a adjective. If you say 他变喜欢喝咖啡了, it will be a wrong sentence because 喜欢喝咖啡 is kind of like a sentence. It's not working with 变. You are going to say 变的. 他变得喜欢喝咖啡了. He now likes coffee more than before. Another two examples. 他变得不爱我了. He's not so into me as it was before. Or you can say 变得 with an adjective. 他变得谦虚了. Here we comes to the last group of words. 变得 and 变成. So when are we going to say 变得? When are we going to say 变成? You can apply this form. 变得 is used with adjectives, verb, or a sentence. 变成 can only be used with a noun because 成 means A into B. So it's noun into another noun. So you have to say 变成 with a noun. Let's look at some examples. 后来他们变成了好朋友. They became good friends. 他后来变成了一个大坏蛋. He was a good guy before, but now he is really bad. 水变成了冰. The water has changed into ice. So this is our today's video. Thanks for watching. Did you learn a lot from this video? If you like my videos, you can subscribe to my channel. I will make more videos to help you learn Chinese. The last sentence is for you. 我希望你能成为我的粉丝. I hope that you will become my fans. See you next time.